Good day everyone, my name is Lawrence Aquilon and I'm going to discuss the social-emotional development of intermediate schoolers. So when we say intermediate schoolers, or also known as school students, is typically range from ages 11 to 14. This stage is this stage of education serves as a bridge between elementary and high school. So for the introduction, at this period of social-emotional development, children are spending less time in the home. The bulk of their time is spent outside the home, either alone or with children, rather than with adults. Older children have already familiarized themselves with other children. They are already used to interacting with different ages and gender for many of them. These social networks are not only sources of social support but also different forms of learning. So when we say social-emotional development daw is yung mga bata is parang naliles yung oras nila sa bahay, then gusto gusto lagi nilang lagi nasa labas kasama yung mga kaibigan nila, and so napapamiliarize na nila yung mga nagiging kalaro nila, and then nalalaman na din daw nila yung mga hilig, yung mga gusto or hindi gusto ng mga kalaro nila. So yun yung socio-emotional development. So for the objectives is identify the socio-emotional characteristics of children in their late childhood stage. Determine the qualities of family life that affect older children's development, including changes in family interactions. So dito, sa ma-identify natin yung mga characteristics na nandoon sa socio-emotional, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. So, sa pangalawa naman is determine the qualities of family life that affect older children. So, dito naman, kung ano yung mga nagiging apekto ng sa develop ng socio-emotional sa family, yung ganun. So, understanding self-competence, self-identify, and self-concept. So, for the social crisis, industry versus inferiority, this industry refers the drive to acquire new skills and do meaningful work. So, dito, yung yung bata kasi, parang pag nasa labas sila, meron sila, hindi lang puro laro yung nagagawa nila. Meron din silang mga natututunan sa labas. So, next naman is social comparison. Distinguishing themselves from others in dealing with other children. Dito naman is para silang natututo silang makipagkaibigan, ganyan. Then, doon din nila natututunan yung tipong nagtatampo sila sa mga kaibigan nila, ganyan. Ayaw nila yung ugali na mayroon yung kaibigan nila, ganyan. So, for the next is perspective talking. Judge other intentions, purpose, and actions. Give importance to social attitudes and behavior. Increase skepticism of other claims. So, when we say naman perspective talking, andito na yung judge nila sa mga nagiging kalaro nila. So, yun na yung parang nung high school ako, yung mga nai-interact ko na mga kaklase ko or mga nakakalaro ko lang is parang nagja-judge ko, and then doon din nakikita yung mga actions na social attitudes ng isang bata. So, for the next is emotional development. Emotional intelligence, EO, developing emotional self-awareness, managing emotions or self-control, reading emotions, perspective talking, handling emotion, resolve problem. So, developing emotional self. So, awareness, being able to recognize the emotions that you experience, understand the feelings associated with the emotions, and understand what you think do as a result. So, developing emotional self. So, nandito naman yung yung para siyang para siyang yung tipong ano, yung feelings niya sa isang bagay o sa mga kaibigan niya is parang na naiintindihan niya na ano niya, nare-recognize niya ng mas maayos or naiintindihan niya na mas mabuti kung may problema yung mga kaibigan niya, ganyan. Yun yung developing emotional self. Or pwede rin sa sarili niya. So, for the next is managing emotions or self-control, the ability to be open to feelings and to modulate them in oneself and others so as to promote personal understanding. So, alam naman natin yung self-control. So, dito natututunan din ng bata yung pag-control sa sarili niya or sa emotion na nararamdaman niya. Ganun. So, the next is reading emotion, perspective talking. Humans communicate through language, sounds or tone, facial expressions, and body language. And culture can influence how people express emotion. Despite this difference, all human experience certain key emotions. So, dito naman, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, hindi lang puro laro yung tututunan nila sa labas-labas nila yung sa social emotional development nga. Dito naman, natututo rin nila yung pagbasa ng mga emotions ng mga nagiging kalaro nila or yung mga nagiging nai-interact nila sa outside. So, yun yung perspective talking. Yun natututo rin sila na makipag-communicate na. So, handling emotion, resolve problem. The key to dealing with emotional problem is to always accept what's going in your mind. Welcome your thoughts and feelings no matter how scary, uncomfortable, or annoying they may be. Talking to family member or teacher will help you handle your emotional problems. So dito naman, resolve problem. Alam naman natin yung resolve problem is para, yun nga, may kasama rin self-control. Kasi yung pag na-control mo yung self-control mo pa, yung pag na-control mo yung emotions mo or yung problema mo, nagagawa mo siya ng solusyon para mawala yung makalimutan mo yung problem na yun. So, yun yung resolve problem. So, pwede rin siyang humingi siya ng tulong sa pamilya niya or sa member, sa teacher niya, ganyan, or sa mga kaibigan na nalalapit sa kanya. Yung madali niyang mapagsabihan ng mga parang ayaw niya, ganyan. So, next naman is building friendship. They give out reinforcement, they act naturally, they listen carefully, and keep open communication. They are happy and control of their negative emotions. They show enthusiasm and concern for others. So, dito naman, halos lahat naman tayo is nagdanas nito is building friendships. So, dito naman is parang nabibilang lang yung mga kaibigan mo na tunay yun dito. Yung parang, siya, halimbawa na lang nung bata ka pa, may isang kababata na sabay kayong lumaki, ganyan, tapos tinuring mo siyang best friend, tapos may times na hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan, ganyan. Minsan sinisiraan ka pa niya sa iba. So yun parang, yun yung hindi siya, parang siya, hindi siya tunay na building friendship. Kumbaga parang fake friends nga, kumbaga ganun. Fake friends. And dito kasi is para nakikita dapat dito, pinapakita dito is yung pagpipili ka ng kaibigan, kumbaga siguraduhin mo na yung kaibigan mo na yun is parang matutulungan ka niya sa lahat. Hindi naman sa lahat ng bagay. Kumbaga, napapagsabihan mo siya ng mga sama ng loob, ganyan, or nakakasama mo siya sa lahat ng bagay. Yung tipong wala kayong sinisiraan sa isa't isa. So, family, a high-quality adult relationship, specifically family relationship, enable them to successfully go through this stage of development. Family support is crucial at this stage, with characterized by success and failure. If children that find a supportive family when they find their interest, they can easily get frustrated. So, family is, ano siya, napaka-importante kasi sa social-emotional development is lagi nasa labas ng mga bata. Kung hindi natin sila magagawin ng maayos or hindi natin sila mapapagsabihan ng mga tama nilang gagawin or mga hindi dapat nila gawin is parang napapabayaan natin sila sa labas and kung ano-ano na lang yung mga masasamang natututunan nila sa labas kasi hindi naman porket nasa labas ka may matututunan ka na ganyan. May matututunan ka pero yung siguro mga building skills mo na lang kung ano yung mga kaya mong gawin. Like, kaya parang sa mga bata, kaya ko yung gantong laro. Yung ibang bata naman, hindi kaya yung gantong laro. So, dito naman, parang ano sila. So, dito is, family is, parang ano siya, nagiging ano siya, yung takbuhan ng mga bata na laging nasa labas na pinagtatanungan mo, bakit ganito, ganyan. Yung mga sama ng loob nila sa mga kaibigan nila or parang yun yung family yung parang magiging ano sila, magiging kakampi nila sa oras ng baga wala silang paglabas ng sama ng loob. Yun yung importante ng bilang isang family. So, for the implication to child care education and parenting, so number one is gain understanding of their child's social emotional strengths and weakness. Encouraging children to talk about their feelings without doing it forcefully. Provide opportunities for children to build relationships with teachers and fellow classmates. Remind children that friendship have their ups, that occasionally complex arguments can be healthy. Design activities allow children to work on their own, discovery activities, and hobbies that they enjoy. So, the last is model health relationship. So, ito yung baga, dapat mong gawin sa isang bata kapag nagkaroon ka ng isang anak. So, sa atin, ganito, ginawa naman sa atin ng mga parents natin to, kaya nga lumaki tayo ng maayos, diba? So, hanggang sana sa pag nagkaroon tayo ng mga anak, kung ano yung ginawa sa atin ng mga magulang natin, kung ano yung sakripisyo na binigay nila sa atin, so, dagdagan pa natin sa susunod, sa mga magiging anak natin. So, that's all for today. Thank you for listening.